Quick and easy one-pan kielbasa potato hash breakfast skillet recipe. Golden potatoes fried to perfection with sausage, onions, and peppers. Served with an everything bagel smeared with cream cheese. That's breakfast. This morning I'm making a country hash with leftover kielbasa. I'm making this in my cast iron skillet, but you can use whatever pan you have. On medium-high heat, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. The butter adds flavor and the oil prevents the butter from burning. Adding in 3 medium golden Yukon potatoes that I peeled and diced and patted dry. Giving the potatoes a toss in the butter oil and then letting the potatoes cook for 2 to 3 minutes before stirring. Give the potatoes a stir and again let cook for another 2 minutes before stirring. Repeat this process until the potatoes form a nice golden color. This is going to take about 15 minutes until the potatoes are cooked through and tender. Once the potatoes are done, remove from the pan and turn the heat down to medium. In the same pan on medium heat, add another tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of finely diced onions, and about a half a pound of sausage, and I'm using some leftover kielbasa that I used in another recipe. Giving a sprinkle of salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 minutes. This is about a half a cup of diced bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for another couple minutes. For a little more flavor, I have a couple cloves of minced garlic, about a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, and half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. You can use the seasonings that you like. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then I'm adding in all the cooked potatoes back into the skillet. Cooking and stirring for another minute, and we are ready to eat. For a little dash of brightness, you could add a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar at the last stir. Or you can even make little pockets on top, place in some eggs, cover, and cook until the eggs are done. This sausage and potato hash was so simple and came together so easily. Serving this morning with a toasted everything bagel and cream cheese. I hope you give this easy hash recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!